Yep, this is how it all started. Second week of distance learning when I tried to do Savage. Well, we've come a long way since then. Here is what we did week 2, if you don't remember. It was all about the end of World War II. And we started this off with a little discussion about the atomic bomb and the use. And this is really kind of the focus of what the objective was for this assignment. I wanted you to look at this little reading, which actually comes from a part of a textbook, and it goes through a lot of different examples as to how exactly they came to the decision by Harry Truman to drop the atomic bomb. It also includes kind of the other perspectives. One, interestingly enough, that came from Harry Truman's main general. And there's the reading, and what I want you to focus on is this little part here. General Eisenhower, who talked a little bit about kind of the extreme violence and how this was something that was completely unnecessary. So you're going to focus here on this point, counterpoint, read that, and then you were answering the questions of what you thought was right or wrong. Now, to follow that up, there were assignments about Hiroshima. There is a little reading here about the idea of what was John Hersey's text and some questions that you can answer from this, looking at the ideas of some of the first examples of kind of the truly horrific experience people experienced in Hiroshima and Nagasaki when these bombs were dropped. Then there was obviously the quiz, and then a timeline assignment where you had to either do through Flipgrid kind of a review or looking at a video kind of summarizing the end of the war of these events. And it said basically choose one of these events to start a kind of a timeline, and then in all pick 3 to use either the Flipgrid or to summarize how they ultimately led to the end of World War II. And then this was all finalized with basically kind of a combination of these ending of events, and then also kind of implying the idea of how the atomic bomb led to that final defeat of the Japanese, but then also even going back into the defeat of Germany. So this is really kind of the focus of what these assignments were aimed at, is this idea of the use of the atomic bomb, kind of the reasons and evaluation behind that, and then how it played a role in ultimately the end of the war.